The last part I'm going to model is the roller, and I would say that for the most part this is my students' very first or second introduction to Inventor and getting used to the interface. We usually build the name tag or luggage tag together as the very first activity, and then this activity is next in terms of their Inventor experience. So I don't usually give them or direct them to my playlist unless they happen to miss school or are students that are really behind. So at this point there are some benefits to modeling the roller because we can learn a new skill. So I'll go ahead and do that. This is very easy. There is this like little flat square on the top here. So students will often build this as a square and then extrude a semicircle, which would be pretty easy to do. And if they paid attention to the origin, the center point of the square hole for the follower should be the origin. That being said, there's another way to do this using a full bull nose round. So that, in order to demonstrate that, I'm going to extrude this a full 0.375 square by 0.625, so 3/8 high by 5/8 square. So again, I'll go ahead and start and draw this from the XZ plane using my polygon tool with 4 sides. I'll draw my square, again a little crooked, horizontal, or vertical in this case because it had rotated it, and dimension that side to be 5/8 of an inch, 625 thousandths. We'll finish the sketch and extrude a distance of 3/8 of an inch. And here I can also change the direction. I want to go ahead and go down. Okay, in order to get that round, we can use the fillet tool. And when we build the luggage tag or name tag, we do an edge fillet, but there's also this option of a full round. So if I select that, I can pick the side face, and then it automatically changes my selection arrow for the center face and then the second side. So I might need to rotate my cube around, there we go, to get the other side, and that very quickly and easily applies the full round. Cutting the square hole, same as it was with all the other parts. Repetition leads to mastery, so a lot of similar skills in building these standardized parts, and then we will go back and do some of the widgets. Okay, so same steps for cutting the square hole. Work planes that we will want for this part, we are actually going to want the plane that cuts it in half. We want the plane that is perpendicular to the flat side, not the plane that goes through the middle of the round. And then we also want the y-axis. So that's the roller.